Lay the corresponding piece wrong side to the foam. Cut the foam around the fabric, leaving approximately ½ inch extra of foam. Pin the fabric piece on the foam, making sure it's flat and creaseless. Now sew all the way around, 1/4 inch away from the edge. Remember to reverse your stitches on the sewn line at the start and at the end of that sewn line. I'm using a stitch length 4.5 on my machine. This is an average based in stitch size. Remove the pins as you go and keep smoothing your hand over the fabric to make sure it's flat and has no creases in it. Now you need to trim back all the excess foam away. So flip it over so it's foam facing up. Trim as close as you can to the sewn lines, cutting as much foam away as possible. Doing this will help stop you having bulky seams. Because you've trimmed it back to the sewn lines, you will have 1/4 inch all the way around, free from foam. Do this to all the pieces needed. However, there is some pieces which you don't need to do this on. So put aside the shoulder strap cushion pad and the 2 shoulder strap pads. These will be fused or sewn later on in the pattern.